Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 2. Students, already it is known to you which chapter was going on. The last video I taught the depreciation chapter third video, and this is the fourth video of the second chapter of part 2, which is called depreciation accounts. The chapter is most important chapter as well as interesting chapters also. Few of the sums from illustrations as well as the textbook I will do from your textbook, few illustrations as well as the exercise sum. Apart from that, I will give some extra sums which is my own sums, difficult type of sums, how we will do it. Students, I will tell you this chapter, the practical sums, whatever it will come, that is 6 to 8 marks, one practical questions will come. There you have to do the working. Working is the compulsory for this chapter, which will give you the 2 marks if working is correct. And after that you have to do the machinery account and depreciation account. Machinery account is the most important compared to the depreciation account. But once if you are doing the working proper way, correct way, without any mistakes, then machinery account you will not have any problems. What type of sums you are going to get from this chapter, that let you know. Company will buy some machines after using certain numbers of years. Company may sell these machines. Company may buy after second year or third year one more machines, that also company can sell after using certain numbers of years. Both the machines depreciations will be charged either by the SLM, straight line method, or diminishing balance method, DBM. That will be mentioned in the questions. What are the rate of the charging depreciations it will be given. First we will read the question and we will collect the data. Data means which date company has purchased the first machines, which date company has purchased the second machines, what is the cost of the first machines, what is the cost of the second machines, what is the rate of depreciation is charging by the company and by which method, and after how many years or which date company is going to sell either in the first machine or in the second machine, either it is profit or it is loss. This much data you have to collect from the question. Then we will do the working. After that we will do the machinery account. But direct machinery account or machinery ledger we will do. We will not do the journal entries. Today I will teach you the page number 48 of illustration number 10. Page 48 of illustration 10 I am reading. Everyone follow the illustration number 10 of page 48. There I am writing here the illustration 10 of page 48. After that I will do some exercise questions also. Here let us see what is given in these questions. Sushma Limited has purchased one machines of rupees 52,000 on 1/4/12. Two collections already you got. 1/4/12, the date of the buying the machines, and price of the machine it was 52. Installation expense of this machine is rupees 3,000. That means installation charges will be added with the machines, so it will be 55. On 1/10/13 it comes the next year in the middle. Next year middle 1/10/13 the second machine was purchased for rupees 19,000 and its installation cost was rupees 1,000. Company charges depreciation at 10% by the SLM, straight line method of depreciation, and on 31st/3/15 the first machine was sold off at a profit of 20% on its book value. Very easy questions. Working is compulsory. Without working you will not be able to complete the sum. So do the working proper way and it will be help you to do the machinery account. How will you do the working? Here I am writing this way you will do the working. Two machines you got. So you take the page for machine 1 and machine 2. You write here M1 and M2. M1 means machine 1, M2 means machine 2. Because this side I want to keep the little space for doing the machinery account later. So machine 1 and machine 2, that is enough space for that working. What we'll do, you have purchased the first machine 1, 12, 13, that CPI netting it is 55, 52 plus 3 I think so. 52 plus 3 means 55. 55,000, and you charge the depreciation after a year, which is coming 31st 3/12. The depreciation, what is the rate of the charging depreciation by SLM, and it is 10%. Is not it? 52 plus 3 is equal to 55, and depreciation will be charged 10% by the SLM. So 10% it comes 5,500. And you are getting the balance of 1,413, which you are getting the balance 49,500, 50-55. This is the balance of the next year. I am doing the working for M1 here. M2 working we will do it here. Let me complete the M1. And M1 you will do up to 31st 3/15. 31st 3/15 you have sold the machines. So let me complete the working. 31st 3. This is 31st 3/13 होगा ना? Yes, mistakes I have done. 1/4/12. 31st 3/13. Yes. 31st 3/13, and this is 1/4/13. 1/4/13 you got the balance of rupees 49,500. Next we charge the depreciation 31st 3/14. Again depreciation which comes 5,500. And this is a SLM, straight line method. So this is coming 0. This is 4 and this is 4. And this you are getting the balance of 1/4/14. Next again you will charge the depreciation of 31st 3/15. Depreciation again 5,500. And if you minus 5,500, you will get 500. This is 638,500. Okay. This is the book value. Now find out this machine. First machine you sold. Which machine you have sold? First machine was sold at a profit 20% on its book value. This date, up to this date, we will do the calculations of the first machine. Why? Because on this date the machine has been sold by the company with 20% profit. Is it correct? 20% profit, I think so. Yes, 20% profit on its book value. This is called book value. And add profit of 20%. For 20% profit, how much will come? 3850, 3850, 3850. 7,700 you got the profit and you add it. This is all minus. And if you add, how much you will get? Add 46,000. This is bank. BC. And here you close the list. After that, there is no balance you will have in your account of the machinery account. Once again you follow. I have done the calculations only for the first machine, which is machine 1. Machine 2 will do it here. Machine 1 you have purchased 1/4/12, which is 52 plus 3 is equal to 55. 1/4/12, 31st 3/13, 1 year complete. This is your first year. This is your second year, and this is your third year. This is second year, correct? And this is your third year. After charging depreciation 5,500, which is 10% of 55,000, you are getting 49,500, which is the opening balance of the second year. Second year again you charge the depreciation 5,500, and you are getting the opening balance of the third year. Third year again you charge the 5,500, and you are getting the after charging depreciation you are getting 38,500, which is the book value. Which date you sold the machine, that date what is the book value of your book of the machinery account, that is given, and that you sold 20% profit. This is 20%. 20% profit of rupees 38,500. And you sold this machine and you got 46,200 is the cash. And second machines, you have no balance in the second machine in the first year. Second machine you have purchased on 110/13. 110/13 comes in this 110/13. It is coming in the second year. देखो 1/4/13 से 31/3/14. So second year it is coming. 110/13 is coming in the middle of the second year. That you have to understand. Second machine you have purchased on 110/13. Your second year started 1/4/13, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. मतलब end of September, which is called first week of October. And second machine cost, it was how much? Second machine cost, it was 19 plus 1, 20,000. CP is equal to 20,000. Now we will charge the depreciation. When year will complete, we will charge the depreciation. You don't count the first month here, and after 12 months, from 110 to 12 months, you don't count. Your second year completed on 31/3/14. Depreciation charge. How much? 10%. 10% comes how much? 2,000. But this year 2,000 will not come. This year it will come 1,000 because we will charge the depreciation for 6 months. This is 6 months. 110/13 to 31/3/14. It comes 6 months. So 6 months depreciation is coming 1,000. Full year depreciation is coming 2,000. 6th year month depreciation is coming. This is, and this is the balance of 1/4/14. Correct? Again we will charge the depreciation on 31/3/15. Now we will charge the depreciation 2,000 because 10% of 20,000, which is coming 17,000. And this is the balance of 1/4/15. Now here this machine will carry on, but as we are doing the accounts up to 1/4/15, for that we have shown the balance up to 1/4/15. Because 31/3/15 you have sold the first machines, and you have to do the machinery account up to 1/4/15 or 31/3/15, meaning are same. So what we do, this is the overall picture of the machinery account. And once you are able to do this one, I think you will not have any problem for doing the machinery account. Now I will show how it is easy to do the machinery account. This is machinery account. This is credit and debit. Once if you are able to do this working, means 90% of these sums you have completed. Now how we will do like that. 1, 4, 12. Machinery account debit, 2 bank, 2 cash. Correct? First machine. I remember it. This is 52 and 3. How I remember? Because whenever I have done, that time I remember this is 52 plus 3. And we charge the depreciation 31/3/13. Depreciation by depreciation. How much? 5500. And also I know that one balance. By balance CD, here I have got 49,500. So you write here 49,500. And if you add, you will get 55. This is the one which you have completed for the first year. And here you write 1/4/13. Here you write to balance BD. How much? 49,500. Now when you do the machinery account for the second year, that time you will keep in mind, second year in the middle you have purchased the second machines. Second year in the middle you have purchased the second machine, which is coming 110/13, 2 bank and 2 cash. That is 19,000 plus 1,000. Second year. Now second year 31/3/14. What will do? we write here by depreciation for M1 and M2. Here it was only M1. For that we have not written the M1 and M2. Now second year M1, which depreciation is 5500, that it is fixed, and for M2 it was 1000. That means 6500. That you understand? Machinery account ledger we will do. That time M1 and M2 will not do separately. Once again, students listen. Machinery account ledger we will do. But machinery account M1 and M2, two different ledgers we will not do. We will do one machinery account ledger where M1 and M2 will go together. But working when we will do, that time M1 and M2 will make it separate. Now if you get the balance, that is 49, 59, 69, I think so. This is 69,000 you are getting. 69,000, there you get it, and here minus 500, 69,500. So how much you are getting? 69,000 minus 6,500. 5,500 add. This is 7 और 2 9, 62,500. 62,500. 62,500 okay. That is the balance you got by balance sheet. Now we will go for the third year. Keep in mind, third year you solve the first machines. First you write the balance of 1,414. To balance BD. How much you are getting? 62,500. 62,500 is the machine 1 and machine 2. दोनों का balance. Now charge of depreciation of 31/3/15 by depreciation M1, M2. M1 5500 and M2 is 2000. Remember it? 2000 and 5500. Which is getting you 7,500. Now, if you get loss, that will come this side. If you get profit, that will come this side. So profit you are getting for the first machine 7700. When 31/3/15 to profit and loss 7700. First machine you sold with profit. What is the profit amount you are getting? That will be getting here, and if you get the loss, it will come this side. And also you got the cash, bank. So bank account debit to machinery account. Machinery account debit by bank. This will come by bank account. How much? 46,200. Now, first machines, if you want to find out the balance, you will not get the balance of the first machine. The balance whatever you will get, that it will be come for second machine, because first machine you have sold it. Whether your answer is correct or your answer is wrong, that you can find out from here also. This balance still I will not find out. If I find out, the balance should be 17,000. Let us see how much balance is coming. This is Sada add. Add. This is 70,200. Now here you write 70,200. Okay, this is 70,200. This is 20. 5 7 7 and 5 12. 5 7 70,200 is coming. Take minute. 7 5 add 70,200. This is 7,200. 7 So 46,200 plus 7,500. Add करो पर 7 add 53,700. तो 70,200 minus 53,700. So 500 is coming. Where from 500 is coming? Let us see that where we have done the mistakes. 48 is number, no? Maybe some calculations I have done wrong. Let us see where we have done the mistakes. 52, 49,500 is correct. Then 19,000, this is 63. Oh, here I have done the mistakes. Here I have done the mistakes. This is not it. This is 63. Here I have done the mistakes. Calculations are wrong. 63 this is. Okay, 63. Then 7,700. 70,700 is coming. 7,063. 63,000. Not 500. Now you understand? Plus minus में mistake हुआ था. This is 63,000. Correct. 63. This is 63. Now 70,700 is coming. No. 70,700. Yes. Plus minus में mistake हुआ था. 70,700. And this side is coming 7,000 46,000 17,000. Now it is coming. I have done a mistake for addition and subtraction. Now it is correct. So look at the board once again. You are getting the balance by balance CD, and here you write 1, 4, 15 to balance BD, which is coming 17. Students, once again you follow this one. What I want to tell you, that one once again you follow. Machine 1 working, machine 2 working. This is machinery account ledger. Machinery working we will do, and M1 and M2 working you will do separately, and machinery account when you will do, that time you will do machinery account M1 and M2 together. This is the main thing of this sum. Apart from that, if they say to do the what is called depreciation account. Depreciation account, if it is said, now depreciation account also very easy, that every one of you know. That one side one account comes, another side another account comes. In place of machinery account, if you write here depreciation account. Depreciation how you have done? There. And what is the journal of that? Depreciation account debit to machinery account. So depreciation account debit to machinery account 5500. And this side you write by profit and loss account 5500, and you close it. But first year you write. Second year, this is first year. Date you write. Second year, depreciation account debit to machinery account. Here how much you write? 5500 plus 1000, 6500. Because 6500. Here also you write 6500. You will make it a total 6,500. Here also you will make it a total 6,500, and here you write by profit and loss account. Over. Second year. This is first year. And third year. Again, same thing. Depreciation account to machinery. This is 5.5 plus 2. 7,500. Here you write 7,500. And you will write it here 7,500. You will make it a total 7,500, and you write it here by profit and loss account. But I do not know what your book said to do. Let me read. First machine was sold of this much only they said. No more things. And also one more thing they may say, that show the accounting effect to the final account. Accounting effect to the final account, that is every one of you know. How to do the accounting effect to the final account, that also I want to show it here. This is date I have not written, date you have to write. Because first year end comes 31st/3/13. Here also 31st/3/13. Then 31st/3/14. Then 31st/3/15. This is 31st/3/14. This is 31st/3/15. I will tell you students, this chapter is most important chapter, and how complicated sums comes, that also you have to make practice. But one second, I want to tell you, working is the most important. Do working properly, automatically makes the account you will be able to do. And when you read the question, that time whatever the data is given, that data you collect properly, and so that you can understand everything is correct. Okay? Hope you are understanding. Even though every video's last I want to tell you, if you do not understand in any place, you can tell me, I will clear your doubt. Let us see the next one more complicated sum. Okay? Bye. All the best.